Good morning, children. In our previous class, we learned about the expanded form. What is the expanded form of a number? Today, in this class, we are going to learn how to write the expanded form of a given number. See, children, two examples are there. We have to write the expanded form of these numbers. Go to the first example. This is a 7-digit number. Okay, we have to write the expanded form of this number. How? For that, first we have to write the places or houses of the digits, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay. Now, what is the expanded form of this number? The expanded form of this number is the sum of the place values of these digits. Okay. Start from the left side. The first digit is 7. What is the place of 7? 10 lakhs. What is the place value of 7? 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Write 7. For 10, write 10. For lakh, there will be 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the second digit. 2. So what is the place value of 2? 2 lakh. 2. For lakh, we will write 5 zeros. The third digit is 3. What is the place value of 3? 3, 10,000. 3. For 10, there will be 1 0. For 1000, there will be 3 zeros. The next digit is 9. So what is the place value of 9? 9,000. 9. For 1000, there will be 3 zeros. The next digit is 2. What is the place value of 2? 200. Write 200. Then 5 tens. That is 50. 6 ones. 6 ones is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6. Okay. This is the expanded form of this number. Now go to the next example. Start from your left side. The first digit is 5. What is the place value of 5? 5, 10 crore. 5. For 10, there will be 1 0. For crore, there will be 7 zeros. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The next digit is 7. Okay. What is the place value of 7? 7 crore. How to write 7 crore in number? 7. After that, we will write 7 zeros. 7. The next digit is 3. What is the place value of 3? 3, 10 lakh. 3. For 10, 1 0. For lakh, there will be 5 zeros. The next digit is 2. What is the place value of 2? 2 lakh. 2. For lakh, there will be 5 zeros. The next digit is 7. Place value of 7 is 7 10,000. 7 for 10, 1 0. For 1000 there will be 3 zeros. The next digit is 1. 1000. Okay. Then 3. What is the place value of 3? 300. 3 for 100 there will be 2 zeros. Then 5 tens, that is 50. 6 ones is equal to 6. 6 ones are 6. Practice well, children. This is very easy. Thank you.